Hello everyone. So today I would like to show you some dollar store cloches that I just decorated really simple. I hope this isn't too boring for you. What I did with this one, sorry about the glare. All I did was take this garland that I had, and you can see in the middle I had a bunch of chains to keep it together. I just squished it up into it, and I thought it was kind of pretty. I'm having a hard time filling these up, so I was just elated when I saw that. And this one I took, dollar store has these branches for $1. And over here in my stores in Wisconsin, they go fast, so if you see them, grab them. But I took a little pumpkin and put it in there, and then I had these stems with the little berries from Hobby Lobby forever, and they have them this year too. And I put some in there, and I took two of my favorite leaves that I've found over the years and put those in there. So you can see it's real simple. Might be too simple for most of you, but it tickles my heart, so I'm happy. And I've seen these decorated so nicely with someone painting the base white or cream, and then adding twine around it, and then putting it on a candlestick holder. And this is the only candlestick holder that I could find real easy, so I put it on this one. So and also, putting them on books can vary the height. And this little charmer is still at Hobby Lobby right now, $3.99 when it's not on sale. And this little picture was from the dollar store. It has a chicken on the other side, that's why it's facing that way. And the stems I had from, the wheat stems came from Menards years ago. Maybe even a decade. I'm sure they have them because it's a yearly thing. And they were like 2 feet tall, and I just cut them down to fit in that little picture. I kept them all these years thinking they were so pretty, but I didn't know what to do with them. So I was happy I got them. And then I got this fall sign last week from Hobby Lobby. So this is my little area that I put together just to show you guys the cloches. And I'm sure I'll be back with another simple, easy peasy thing to do for fall. And I hope you don't mind that I'm showing you guys. I know it's summertime, but I'm a slow crafter, so I gotta put it out now. Or try to put something together now. Okay, thanks so much, and talk to you soon.